Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 9. Late Night Tense Chat. You are still awake? I am not sleepy at all. It is already 2 a.m. Time flies. What are you doing right now? Watching videos. I lost track of time. That happens a lot. Aren't you hungry? Suddenly, yes. Are you having a midnight snack? Just a little. Aren't you unusually energetic? It is the late night mood. Everything feels funny. I know exactly what you mean. Don't you have an early morning tomorrow? Very early. You are doomed then. Seriously. Don't you suddenly want to clean at night? I was just thinking that. Classic late night behavior. Totally. Why do we overthink at night? Maybe because it is quiet. I start thinking about life. That is dangerous. Do you think you can sleep soon? Probably not. I am fully awake. Same here. Aren't you watching weird videos again? I totally am. The algorithm keeps showing them. You cannot stop. Isn't it too quiet outside right now? Super quiet. Kind of creepy. True. Don't you suddenly crave ramen? I want it so badly. This hour is dangerous. Seriously dangerous. Are you still gaming? Just one more game. That never ends. You got me. I feel like talking about anything now. Late nights do that. People become honest. I totally get that. Aren't you about to fall asleep? I am at my limit. I might drop my phone on my face. That hurts a lot. Won't you regret staying up late tomorrow? Absolutely. But this is fun now. I understand that too. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.